In today's video, we're going to explore one of the most valuable areas of QuickBooks Online, the Reports section. This is where you can see how your business is performing, track key financial information, and review VAT, customers, suppliers, and much more.
Great. I use QuickBooks a lot, but I feel like I'm not using the reports area properly.
You're definitely not alone. Many people only use a small number of reports, but once you know where to look, QuickBooks can give you everything you need. To do this, on the left-hand menu, click Reports. This takes you to the Reports Centre, which is divided into Standard Reports, Custom Reports, Management Reports, the Performance Centre, and Financial Planning.
Okay, I can see all the categories now.
Prior to reviewing any of the reports, you must understand that the validity of the data is dependent on how well the processing has been completed. Let's start with one of the most important reports, the Profit and Loss Report. Click Profit and Loss under the Business Overview section within the Standard Reports. This report shows your income, your costs and expenses, your profit or loss over a chosen period. At the top, you can change the date range. For example, this month, this year, this quarter, or last financial year.
Great. I can see how it breaks down everything clearly.
Now let's look at another report, the Aged Receivables, also called the Accounts Receivable Aging Summary. This report shows which customers owe you money and how long those invoices have been outstanding. They're grouped into the current, 1 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90 days, and 91 and over. This is incredibly useful for credit control.
That's really helpful. I struggle to keep track of who hasn't paid us.
On the flip side of this report, there's the Aged Payables. This report shows your unpaid bills to suppliers. This is split into the same age brackets. This helps you to keep on top of supplier payments, avoid late fees, and manage cash flow.
Great. That will help me avoid missing due dates.
Every report in QuickBooks can be customized. At the top of any report, click Customize. Here, you can adjust the date range, the columns shown, the filters, the display settings, and if it's a cash or accrual basis reporting.
So I can tailor the report to exactly what I need.
Exactly. This gives you full flexibility. Once you customize a report, you can save it by clicking Save As. You can name it, group it, add it to favorites, and share with others in your business. You'll find all your saved reports under the Custom Reports section. At the top of any report, you'll see options to export to Excel, print, or email. This makes it easy to share reports with managers, accountants, or auditors.
That's handy, especially for meetings.
And that's an overview of how to use the Reports section in QuickBooks Online, including the reports you're most likely to use day to day. Once you become familiar with these, you'll get much more insight into how your business is performing.
Thanks. This has made the report section feel much less overwhelming.
You're welcome.